Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. Okay guys, in the search box first of all type a device manager, open device manager. After opening that, um, after doing this, select a network adapter. Select a network adapter. Right click on update driver. Click on search automatic driver for computer. Click on search for update driver from Windows Update. Download and install if any updates available. So in my case is a downloading is 95% is completed, so it's required for few minutes to complete this process. After doing completing that, install and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, and after doing this select a network adapter. Right click on update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select a model and click on next to continue and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, and after doing this step select a network adapter. Click on update right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer and once again install network adapter, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooter, and after doing this step run the network adapter. So here is a network adapter, run it. Select a network adapter. So in my case is all network adapter selected. Click on next to continue. After doing this set, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.